Hi guys, today I will explain how to sign in your account in Adobe. This process is really simple and easy. The only thing is open the Adobe application. You can also sign in your account. If you open a project or without opening a project, you can do it in both ways. You only have to do is take a look on the left top. You can see a few options, and from these, here you can see the option of help. Just click on it after clicking on it. Here, you can see the option of sign in. Click on it. And here, you can see it's asking for enter the email address, or you can continue with your Google account, as well as with your Facebook, or with Apple. And also, if you click on this option view more, then you will see a few more accounts of Microsoft, Line, and Kakao. With these accounts, you can sign in your account in Adobe. And also if you don't have any one of these, then scroll up. And here you can see the option of create an account. Simply click on it and create your account and sign in Adobe. And it was the way by which you can join Adobe easily.